Is there a plan to help heal these scars once victory is at hand and there's a plan to try to restore some sort of order in the Gaza Strip? Is there a plan to try to help heal those scars that everybody is under?
I think two things. You mentioned my wife, who's a child psychologist, and she's been dealing with these families of hostages and also our bereaved soldiers. You know, we've lost hundreds of soldiers who fought bravely and fell in Gaza. And, you know, it requires a continuous effort of assistance and treatment because their souls are scarred. But at the same time, we also think about the reconstruction of Gaza once we eliminate these terrorist thugs who are controlling it. Basically, they've hijacked Gaza. They've, you know, they kill anybody who just raises even the possibility of opposing them. They just wipe them off, put a bullet in the back of their heads. So, yes, there is a different future. It can be achieved, but that different future goes through one word: victory.